In America, shiny cars filled the streets again. Suburbs sprouted like fields after rain. Young couples held hands in movie theaters, watching films that promised bright futures. In Japan, people learned to rebuild from the ground up. Paper lanterns glowed above narrow lanes. The first new kimonos appeared, stitched from worn fabric but worn with pride. In Africa, seeds of independence stirred quietly. Students debated freedom beneath palm trees. Farmers worked familiar soil, dreaming of new nations. In South America, music returned, tangos and sambas drifting through cafes where war had once silenced the song.